Hi, this is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're back with pattern of the week. We call this Army Camo. I believe this is a full 1 meter wide film. It is a full 1 meter wide film, right? It's 90 centimeters at least, or if not a full meter. We're going to be using a white base. Yeah, he got a close-up of it. Number 2939-4KH. Using Kansas Hydrographics activator. Tank's about 90 degrees. 1 minute soak time. You can use different color bases with this, considering it's, you know, like a white, light gray, and transparent and black print. We just like to stay with white and black to show you guys what it'll look like. There it is, Army Camo, white base coat. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com or eBay, seller name Draft461. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next week.